Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got our Disney DVD unboxing. And this one I got very recently, this past weekend. I got Ducktales, the movie, Treasure of the Last Lamp. I haven't seen this movie yet, but I am going to check it out at some point. And because it was pretty interesting. You got Scrooge McDuck and Donald Duck as a genie. And like I said, I'm not sure how this movie plays out. I'm just guessing in here. You also got Louie, Huey, and Dewey here. And whoever these two characters are. I guess I'm going to find out once I watch the movie. And you got a battle case with some bonus features. And right here it says a treasure for the whole family. And we say we got the scenes from the movie here. And here's that Donald Duck looking genie guy again. And now it's open up plastic. Again, then open up the case to take a look at that DVD. Now the plastic is off and let's open the DVD. And here's the DVD disc for Ducktales, the movie Treasure of the Lost Lamp. And that's it for today's Disney DVD unboxing. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming to our channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.